Hey Boogles!
So today is a very exciting day. We are going to
IKEA!
I love going to IKEA.
Love spending $500. Love it.
Look how nice he is. Got me flowers. What do you have to say about that?
You gotta, you do things for the ones that you love.
Anyway, so stay tuned. We'll bring you guys along.
Bye Boogles!
Guys, so the first time that Austin was going to IKEA, I made him believe the whole night before, I think for like 2 days actually, that when he would get to IKEA for the first time, they would give him a pin that says thank you for, like thank you for coming, like, or like it's my first time at IKEA, and the manager would come down and sign his pin for him, and he was so excited. And then we finally got to IKEA, and he looks at me. Nah, actually the whole time he's like, it's not real, right? It's not real. And I was like, no, it's for real, I'm for real. And then I think I pulled up a picture on Google or something, and he believed me. And then we got there and he just looked at me and he's like, there's no pin, huh? All right, well, look what's coming up. I really look like a samurai.
Yeah, you look like you can go in.
In the city, got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot.
I could literally do a cartwheel in here. Do one. Go, 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 go. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Do a cartwheel, do a cartwheel.
I can't do a cartwheel.
Come on, just do a cartwell real quick before the door opens.
Gravity does not agree with me. Gravity just doesn't agree with my size. No.
With your size? I don't think it has anything to do with your size.
Wait a minute, where's the food?
It's
right over here.
Yeah, you're right.
No, that was home.
No. Well, yeah, you can go right or left. You're correct. There's nobody here. Guys, they have $2 breakfast. I love these things so much. Those little things you put your coats on. We already started eating, but I got the smoked salmon sandwich, which is pretty good. The meatballs and chicken tenders with a cake. Mama's just playing with her toy.
What is up, guys? So we're here at IKEA, seeing what we can grab. So far we've got bibs for the queen.
Are you serious?
I got a robe.
Are you serious?
And we have.
Why do you get a robe?
Because you already have one.
Where? But not like this, we can get imprinted on the back.
Wow. And we've got this. I'll let you guys take it. Why don't you guys take a guess? Post comments in the bottom what you think this is for. And then get back to us. We'll be back to you guys. Bye, Boogles. Create your dream room for just $1,000. No bed though.
Next on J-Mom Cuisine, lasagna.
So today we're gonna be cooking
Lasagna. I said lasagna already.
lasagna. So exciting.
Here we have the pasta boiling.
I'm dead. Is it even?
Is this even real?
And use the whole patio, but then nothing can be in between it.
So pretty. Guys, we came here for a chair. And we are leaving with, do you want to tell them?
We want to show you. We're gonna show you.
Yeah, later on, because we have to build it. Babe, you were standing over there and I was like, ooh, who's that? And then I realized it was you. I love you. I love being here. It's like a whole bunch of new beginnings, you know? It's your couch, mamas.
Look, hold on, she needs to chill.
You chilling on the new couch, mamas? You chilling on the new couch, mamas? Mamas.
Little one changed. All right, we're picking up our furniture. What do you guys think it is? All right, guys, time to get all this. Hold on. You really get it. All this into there. What's your big plan, Pops? Guys, we did it. Everything's inside. Well, not quite yet. What did we get? What did we get? Ella's still out here, but I'm thinking about maybe just leaving Ella and then just coming back for her. Babe, what do you think? Maybe just leaving Ella and coming back for her?
Are you retarded?
I'm just kidding. All right, let's see. New beginnings.
DJ Drew. This is a DJ Drew exclusive.
Brought to you with the P. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, my flow is legendary like a sword. I hit you off the head, and now you looking towards the left to the right.
If you guys haven't already guessed what it was, it is a couch. But
look.
wait.
There's more.
And then you bring it up. Ready? And it becomes a huge bed.
What's up, guys? So Jessica's really mad right now, and I'm gonna get her back with the tag you're in. So let's see how this goes, guys. Tag you're it.